having opposite Berjaya Times Square, அப்படியே பேக் சைட் ஆஃப் Berjaya Times Square சூப்பர் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் ஒன்று இருக்குது. Bukit Bintang ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் சாஃப்ரின்னு இந்தியன் ஃபுட்டு தான், தமிழ் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட்டு. ஸோ நியர்பை நான் தங்கியிருக்க ஹோட்டல்லேருந்து ஜஸ்ட் வாக்கபிள் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் தான். ஃபுட்டு எல்லாம் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. பட்ஜெட் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் இதுவும். ஸோ பார்த்துக்கோங்க. பேர்ட்ஸ் டே வந்துருக்கு. அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட் வந்து டைம் ஸ்கொயரு. நான் தங்கியிருக்கிற இடத்துலேருந்து அப்படியே பேக் சைடு இது எல்லாம் வாக்கபிள் டிஸ்டன்ஸு. அப்படியே அவ்வளோ ரொம்ப பட்ஜெட்டான இடம். இவ்வளோ பெரிய ஏரியாவில் இவ்வளோ பட்ஜெட் இடம். Morning walk of Bukit Bintang. So I'll show some shops. So train is going. It's a good walking spot it is. Lots of shops around place. Train station is connected to this spot actually. There is a good glass house place. Yeah, this cafe, good spot. This is a lot and mall connection to the train station. I sit in the Japan store, the lot and mall. Already put the video of this spot. Molten Chocolate Lab, one of the famous chocolate store, and with the hot chocolates. So welcome to the Bukit Bintang City Centre, the morning walk. In the morning itself it's getting lots of there is the Bukit Bintang station. Actually this is the Bukit Bintang station. The lot and mall. So let's go. Most of the time we come through the opposite. This time I show you this place. This is the Volo building. So Damascus next to this. Lot 10 not yet open. Just 9 a.m. Pavilion suite is there. Lots of Star Hotels. The opposite is all Middle East, best Middle Eastern food. Here it is available. The Bukit Bintang City Centre. Whenever you come here, try this. It's a 7-Eleven store. There's a toast maker for the immediate crunch. There's a ATM machine, so you can sit the minimal seatings. And Saman, it is Baker's Cottage. Smells good actually. Joint. Good Middle Eastern food is available here. The Fahrenheit mall. This connection, they have underground connection to the Pavilion KL. I'll show on another video. Studio. Walk. Someone's getting jammed and packed up busy streets. Wonderful, delicious pav. Then we move to the other side. Straight to the Pavilion Kuala Lumpur, exactly 1 kilometer. You can easily walk and come with the street walk itself. This place looks so nice actually. The Plan B. There is the TRX mall. This is a cafe. So glass house concept looks so good. So due to the summer heat, the children used to take water shower. So much of heat. Actually, it's nice actually. See the fountain with the pebbles. It's nice. It's so wonderful. So this is the mall. There's the commercial complex and offices. The rooftop forest is here, already shown in the video. There is the wheelchair entry. There's a steps entry you can go.